Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to restore the PIN to your Windows account on DELL Latitude 7410 in case you forgot it. So, in order to restore your PIN code, you're gonna have to select I forgot my PIN right here. If you don't see this option, then you're probably using Windows 10, and in such case you're gonna have to enter your PIN code several times until you can see this option on the screen. Now, if you have a local account set up on your device, then you're gonna have to answer one of the security questions that you set up to protect your device. And if you don't remember the answers or the answer to any of these questions, then in such case you're gonna have to the only way to restore your access is by performing a factory reset operation. So you're gonna have to reinstall Windows from USB on your device. And if you don't know how to do that, we have an entire video on our channel explaining this process step by step. So if you need this, you're highly welcome to check out that video on our channel. Unfortunately, this will of course remove all data from your device. But if you have a Microsoft account set up on your device, all you have to do is click send code. In order to send code to your email address, it will be sent instantly, and you're gonna have to enter it into the following field. So just open your email account and find the code inside, and provide the code from your email account into this field. Then click sign in, then click continue, and then whether or not you have a local account, and at this point you're gonna have to set up a new PIN for your account, and make sure that you remember it this time. Enter it, then confirm it in the following field, then click OK, and your access will be regained in a couple of seconds. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.